Korean War started on the 25th of June 1950 and ended on 27 July 1953 after the signing of an armistice agreeing that the country would remain divided. At the end of the Second World War, Korea, which had formerly been occupied by the Japanese, was divided along the 38th parallel. This was an internal border between North and South Korea based on a circle of latitude. North Korea, supported by the Soviet Union, invaded the South on the 25th of June 1950, which was supported by the United States. The 3-year war was exceptionally bloody and led to the deaths of 3 million people and tens of thousands of casualties.